Hello, today we'll be discussing about carbon and its compounds, chapter number 4 from class 10. Okay, first and foremost, why carbon? Why not any other element? There are many elements in the periodic table. The reason for that it is food, clothes, medicines, fertilizers, paints, plastic, and many more things consist of carbon. So it is the basis for all life, and it forms stable covalent bonds to other carbon atoms. That is, it forms chain of carbons, and that is known as catenation. That is, long carbon chain can be produced. Next is it will bond with many other elements like hydrogen, sulfur, nitrogen, and many more. It can form single bond, double bond, and triple bonds. This we will discuss later in the video. Earth's crust consists of 0.02% in the form of minerals, that is as carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, coal, and petroleum. And in atmosphere, carbon consists of 0.03% in the form of CO2, that is carbon dioxide. So you might have got the reason that why we should learn about carbon. Now we have discussed about ionic bonding in the previous chapter. Two types of bonding we are going to discuss here, that is, first is ionic bonding and second is covalent bonding. Ionic bonding occurs by the transfer of electrons, whereas covalent bonding occurs by sharing of electrons. Now first we will discuss about ionic bonding. We will take an example, that is NaCl, sodium chloride. Now sodium, we know the atomic number of sodium is 11, and when we arrange it as per the electronic configuration, first orbit will consist of 2, then 8, and then 1 electron. And chlorine with atomic number 17 has the configuration 2, 8, and 7. Now to form a bond, the outermost octet should be completed. So here 1 electron of sodium is being given to chlorine, and sodium forms an ion, that is Na plus. And after accepting this 1 electron, chlorine forms anion, that is Cl minus. Now due to electrostatic attraction, they attract each other and form NaCl. This is about ionic bonding. But in this chapter we will be discussing completely about covalent bonding. Now that is covalent bonding in carbon. Carbon with its atomic number 6 has 6 protons and 6 electrons, and its electronic configuration will be 2, 4. Now first is, to attain a stable electronic configuration, carbon can either give away its 4 electrons or it can accept 4 electrons. To give away 4 electrons means this 4 electron would be removed, and to accept 4 electrons means it will be 2, 8. But these both things are not possible for carbon. It is not easy for carbon to give away 4 electrons nor to accept 4 more electrons. So to give away 4 electrons, it requires a large amount of energy. So that is not possible to remove all those 4 electrons from it. And to accept 4 electrons means 6 protons cannot hold on to 10 electrons. 10 electrons means 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. It cannot hold on to 10 electrons. Now here stability is an important factor, and stability totally depends on electronic arrangement. Now valence shell should consist of 8 electrons for stability. Carbon thus shares its valence electrons with other atoms of carbon or with atoms of other elements. The shared electrons belong to outermost shells of both atoms. Whatever they are sharing, both will equally distribute. So both attain stability by completing its octet. or we say noble gas configuration. They will share the electrons and form or complete the octet, and that is known as covalent bonding. Now we will discuss covalent bonding in the next.